Hello and welcome to this month's Sew and Share project. This month we're going to be doing some metallic lace charms that we can put around wine glasses, but before we get started you just want to make sure you have all the supplies required, which you can find in the downloadable PDF. So once you have all your supplies ready, we can jump right in. For step 1, we're going to hoop our wet and gone stabilizer, and we're going to use T-pins to secure it. Now we do have a great YouTube tutorial on using T-pins to secure stabilizers, so make sure you check that out in the description below. Step 2, we're just going to make sure our machine is ready, so we're going to make sure our top bobbin and thread tensions are not too tight. Then we can load the hoop into our machine. We also do have an amazing video showing you how to run metallic threads. The link to that video is in the description, so make sure you give it a watch before you continue on with the project. For step number 3, we are simply going to stitch out the design at a slow speed, and when you're finished stitching out the first one, you're simply going to repeat the process for the other 5. So now that the designs are finished stitching out, for step number 4, we are simply going to trim away the excess stabilizer, so simply cut around the designs. For step number 5, we are going to rinse the design until you can no longer see the stabilizer in a bowl of warm water. Now we don't want it to be burning hot, but we do want it to be warm, and you do want the stabilizer to remain in the design so you can reshape it later. Once you have rinsed them all, you're simply going to take a towel and press down the designs. Now for the final step, step 6, we are simply going to shape the charms around our wine stems or whatever other decoration you'd like to use. Congratulations, you are now finished this month's project. Hope you enjoyed, and be sure to stay tuned for the next one. And once again, thank you for joining us in this month's Sew and Share project.